Are you aware of the differences between total steam and steam-assisted baking? Cooking with steam is one of the oldest cooking methods that has been used for centuries. Steam-cooked food maintains all of its valuable nutrients and vitamins while retaining flavors, textures, and color. With Bertazzoni steam ovens, this technique is simple and easy to adapt to your cooking style. With total steam ovens, you can prepare healthy, nutrient-rich dishes such as fish and vegetables thanks to the total steam function that cooks without using any fatty oils or additional condiments. The steam assist function is also an easy way to add moisture to more flavor-intense recipes. During traditional convection baking, adjustable amounts of steam can be injected during the baking process to increase humidity and obtain perfectly browned outer layers and moist, tender interiors. Bertazzoni steam ovens have a refillable water reservoir that holds 1 liter, enough to cook with full steam for an hour. It is possible to refill the tank without interrupting the cooking process or opening the oven door due to its strategic positioning behind the control panel. Safe and easy. In addition, steam cooks food faster than traditional baking, thus allowing you to save time in the kitchen. Nutritious, tasty, and quick dishes, Bertazzoni steam ovens are a valuable and precious support in the kitchen.